Hello foodies, today we're going to make fish lumpia. First things first, let's heat oil in a pan and saute garlic and onion. Next, we add some chopped mushrooms, and some shredded tinapa or smoked fish. Next, we add some grated carrots, and after that, just add a tiny dash of liquid seasoning, just a tiny dash, and then cook for a few minutes more. And once done, let it cool down for a few minutes. And now it's time to wrap the meat in lumpia wrapper. Next, we deep fry the lumpia until crisp and golden brown. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on our socials. Thank you so much. Bye.